In today's video, we will show you how to verify your account on Hola Prime Markets. If you haven't registered yet, you can submit the documents while registering and complete the verification there. However, if you have already registered and haven't verified your account, just log into your account and click on Verify Now. If you scroll down the verification page, you will see the KYC requirements. Make sure to have these documents ready before proceeding. Let's verify now. Simply click on Upgrade, and a new page will open. Click Continue, then select your country of residence, and click Continue again. A new page will open showing the steps for verification. Step 1 requires you to provide an identity document. Step 2 requires you to submit an address proof, and lastly, the liveness check. If you already have your documents stored in SumSub ID, simply tick this checkbox to complete it quickly. Next, you'll see two options. Continue on phone if your documents are on a mobile device and you're logged in on a different device, or continue on this device if your documents are on the currently logged in device. A new page will open. Here, select the issuing country of the ID and then the document type. Once done, click Continue. Upload the front and back sides of the document, making sure it's in a supported format and the correct size. Once uploaded, click Continue. Next, upload your proof of address. You can refer to the given document types for reference. Click Continue once done. Finally, complete the liveness check. You can do it on the same device or on your phone. Allow camera access and continue. And that's it. After the liveness check, your verification will be complete and your verification level will also be upgraded. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.